Tequila drinkers who value old world craftsmanship will be amazed by the passion that goes into each bottle of Tangina Tequila.
Tangina!
Tangina Tequila is aged for 13 years at the renowned Puta Madre Distillery. Flavored in labuyo, organic watusi, balete oak, and other leche traditional spices.
Tangina!
Tangina Tequila. Tangina ka kasi.
Tangina! Tangina! Talaga!
Puta Madre Distillery also offers Backshit Vodka, Gago Gin, Tarantado Beer, and anak ng putang lechugas kamponyetang lambanog.